Today I want to talk about some very cheap handlebars. I got them from eBay. They come from China, from Hong Kong. I paid some 30 pounds, that's some less than 40 euro. And I find them very useful if you have a motorcycle, a sports bike, or if you want to get into a project like a coffee racer. If you want to build a coffee racer, they are very cheap. They come in various sizes, even with even some raised one. This is a 10-degree angle. This one is a 50 millimeter in diameter for the fork. The handlebar itself is 284 millimeter long and 32 millimeter in diameter. You can have them as spares. They are very cheap. I find them very useful. You can find some other sizes like the diameter of the fork from 53, 50, 48, 45, 43, 41, 37 and 30. It's an aluminium 7075 T6. You can adjust the length of the handlebar by unscrewing this screw here. Okay, so that's it. I hope you will enjoy your ride on your bike, a Sunday ride or a track day, and enjoy your motorcycle. Have fun.